Shares of Deere staging a comeback today despite missing Wall Street's earnings estimates. Morgan Brennan has all the details. Hi, Morgan.
Hey, Bob. Well, what a comeback it's been. Shares finishing the day up about 2%. That's despite posting adjusted earnings that missed expectations by 16 cents. Why? The conference call. Upbeat commentary and guidance, especially from CFO Raj Kalathur, who said, quote, global demand for grain continues to grow consistently, even as trade factors readjust to accommodate various policy changes. That overall, Deere is encouraged by the outlook for the rest of 2018 and the early interest for Deere's new technology coming in 2019. Here's how one analyst put it. Deere implied 2019 fundamentals are stronger, and thus the forward outlook would be positive. Now, in terms of today's results, net sales, equipment sales jumped 36%. Margins, though, were dinged by higher costs for material, think steel, and freight. Company did say they are raising prices, though, but the fear that retaliatory tariffs on U.S. agricultural exports like soybeans could hurt demand for Deere's equipment, well, for now at least, that doesn't seem to be warranted. So that had sent shares down over 17% over the past 6 months. Deere also reaffirmed its fiscal full-year guidance and said it believes the stock's, quote, intrinsic values are much higher, and that's the reason investors should expect Deere to keep buying back its own stock. Guys?
And Morgan, this higher costs, higher material costs has been a big issue all throughout the year. We saw Harley having to struggle with this as well. So your people are able to raise the prices. I guess the question is how easy it's going to be for the rest of the businesses in that area to raise prices. That's going to be a big issue. I don't know how long they're going to be able to keep doing that.
Absolutely, and I think you're seeing that there's more traction in terms of the ability to raise prices from some of these heavy machinery makers and the industrial companies, whether it's a Deere, whether it's a Caterpillar, companies that are targeting consumers, especially in areas where maybe there are bigger, more structural issues like Harley. Different story altogether.